guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be installing the cover that you pull back to cover the back. So it's kind of like a little deterrent, but not really, but it just keeps everything covered so anybody passing by doesn't see it. So check it out. This actually looks way better than I expected. It actually has an aluminum frame on it, so it's easy to install. It took me less than 10 minutes to put up, and it's nice. It's really nice, and the material is very well made as well. So it's gonna keep all the looky-loos from looking inside when I have the top up, to keep my sub and amp safe. All right, so this is a box that it comes in. And those are the accessories. Anything else in there? Nope. All right, this is aluminum, I guess. Feels pretty sturdy. And let's see, these are the stickies that are gonna go right here. Actually, it's gonna go here because it needs to latch on, and the tension's gonna keep it in there. And I'm guessing it's going to there's no instructions, but I will figure it out. Okay, so each end has this little cutout, like hole in the center, and what that is so it actually fits right in here. So you're gonna have to put your seat forward, because when you have it reclined all the way back, it's gonna interfere and it's not gonna be able to lock. So let me see if I can put it on and record at the same time. And there you have it. Just like that. All right, what you want to do is spray some alcohol, clean it, and you're going to peel all the backing from it. And, oh, wrong one. No, it was right. And there we go. It's nice and secure. This side's already been cleaned and sanitized, so it's COVID free. And done. Let's check it out. Perfect. And when it's closed, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I have a couple more videos that I need to upload that I've done. It's just been crazy busy at work. So I will talk to you later. Peace out.